coffee halls. Dalyan's magic in the air. With Hugo I find comfort there. Simple joys in every cup. With each sip feelings erupt. Turkish coffee tastes divine. In each brew a moment's shrine. Lights of evening start to dim. Coffee glow, the spirit's in. Travel Hugo by my side. In this bliss our worlds collide. In the chill of dying night, coffee brewing warmth and light. Turkish delight, we savor slow. Travel dreams with Hugo flow. Thanks for watching my channel, traveling with HugoF. We roam the roads and skies, chasing dreams high and wide. If you like what you saw now, hit that thumbs up button, please. Leave a comment down below, share the moments like a breeze. Thanks for watching, you're the best. Join the journey, never rest. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Travel with me by your side. New adventures every week. Come along, enjoy the ride. Like, comment, share, or subscribe. Let's explore and feel alive. Every video a new find. Travel with Hugo all the time. Thanks for watching.